Have you ever wondered how a simple toaster pastry became a breakfast staple? Today, we dive into the delicious science behind Pop-Tarts. Pop-Tarts toaster pastries are a beloved treat that combines sweet fillings with flaky crusts. They're perfect for a quick breakfast or snack on the go. Available in various flavors such as strawberry and pumpkin, Pop-Tarts are made with a gooey filling encased in a pastry crust. The packaging is designed for easy heating. Simply pop them into the toaster or microwave to get that warm, crispy texture out of the foil pouch. Pop-Tarts are not just for breakfast. They're a popular snack choice for kids and adults alike, often paired with cold milk or enjoyed at lunchtime. These toaster pastries have become cultural icons, featured in movies and TV shows as a symbol of convenience and indulgence. From breakfast to dessert, Pop-Tarts are a versatile treat that combines the joy of pastries with the practicality of quick meals. What's your favorite way to enjoy Pop-Tarts? Do you have any unique recipes or fun uses for these toaster pastries?